The first problem we are going to see is a bar and b bar are given and we have to evaluate the values of a bar dot b bar and a bar cross b bar. The given vectors a bar and b bar can be written in their component form as a bar is equal to ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap, and it is given that 2I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. Similarly, b bar is equal to bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap, and its value is 6I cap minus 3j cap plus 2 k cap. By equating these two equations, we can get ax is 2, ay is 2 and az is minus 1, and here bx is 6, by is minus 3 and bz is 2. Now the formula for a bar dot b bar is ax bx plus ay by plus az bz. Now submit these values here. ax2 bx6 plus ay2 by minus 3 plus az minus 1 and bz2. Now we may calculate this. 6 minus 2, so answer is plus 4. Similarly, we may calculate the value of a bar cross b bar. Just write this formula in the form of determinant, that is I cap, j cap, k cap. Here first row ax, ay, az, and second row bx, by, bz. This is in the determinant form. Now submit these values of I component, y component, x component, y component and z component. We get I cap, j cap, k cap. Here 2 minus 1 and 6 minus 3 2. To solve this determinant, this cross product 2 into 2 4 minus 3 into minus 1, that is 3. Similarly, middle term minus j cap to bracket, take multiplication of this 2 by 2, that is 4 minus 6 into minus 1 minus 6, minus minus becomes plus, so we get plus 6. And the last term k cap. Now here 3 into minus 3 into 2 minus 6 into 2 12. So we will get the answer I cap here minus 10 j cap, here minus 18 k cap. So this is the final answer of a bar cross b bar. Problem is evaluate I cap plus j cap dot I cap minus j cap. Here ax is 1, ay is 1, and then in the second vector bx is 1 and by is minus 1. So this is the dot product of the two vectors, and we may write this we may write the solution as 1, that means ax into bx, that is 1 plus ay 1 and here by minus 1. So answer is 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. Here we have asked I cap plus j cap cross I cap minus j cap. Now write this cross product in the form of determinant, that is I cap, j cap, k cap. Here ax, ay, that is 1 1, the z component is 0, and the second vector x component is 1, y component minus 1, z component 0. Now solve this. We get I cap into bracket 1 into 0 0 minus 0 into minus 1 0 plus j cap into bracket, here 0 0 minus 0 plus k cap, here minus 1 minus of minus 1, that is minus 2. So answer is minus 2 k cap. Next, we have to prove that this vector a bar and b bar are perpendicular to each other. We know that for the perpendicular vectors a bar and b bar, the dot product is always 0. Now here, dot product of these two vectors can be written as ax bx plus ay by plus az bz. Now here ax is 2, ay is minus 3, az is 1 and bx is 4, by is plus 1 and bz is minus 5. So submit these values here. 2 into 4 plus minus 3 into 1 plus 1 into minus 5. So answer is 0. As a bar dot b bar is 0, we may say that this a bar and b bar are perpendicular to each other. Next, we have to calculate the work done when the force and displacement is given. We know that the formula for work done is force into displacement. This into is the dot product between the force and displacement. Now let us submit the value of F and R here. 3I cap plus J cap minus 3K cap into means dot product I cap minus 2J cap minus 4K cap. Now this dot product we have to multiply x component y component and z component respectively, and then we have to add them. So 3 into 1 3, 1 into minus 2 and minus 3 into minus 4 plus 12. So the answer is 13 units. Next, we have to determine the angle between the given two vectors a bar and b bar are given. Now we know that the formula for dot product, that is a bar dot b bar, it is equal to AB cos of theta, where a and b are the magnitudes of a bar and b bar vectors respectively. So here from this formula we may write cos theta is equal to a bar dot b bar upon AB. So first we will calculate a bar dot b bar and then product of their magnitudes, and then submit these values in this formula. So let us first calculate a bar dot b bar. This is equal to ax bx plus ay by plus az bz. Now here the values given are ax 2, this is minus 1 means ay, and az is 2, and here 4 is bx, minus 8 is by, and minus 1 is bz. Now let us submit these values here. 2 into 4 plus minus 1 into minus 8 plus 2 into minus 1. So the answer is 8 plus 8 minus 2, that is 14. Now a bar AB, that means mod of a into mod of b, mod of a bar into mod of b bar, that is equal to under root of here ax square plus ay square plus az square, that means 2 square plus minus 1 square plus 2 square into under root bx square plus by square plus bz square, that means 4 square plus minus 8 square plus minus 1 square. So the answer is under root 4 plus 1 plus 4 into under root 16 plus 64 plus 1. So under root of 9 into 81, we will get 3 into 9, that is answer is 27. So just submit this value of a bar dot b bar and ab into this formula. So cos of theta is equal to a bar dot b bar, that means 14 upon ab, that means 27. So theta is equal to cos inverse of 14 by 27. This theta is the angle between a bar and b bar vector.